Hi, this is Dr. Phil Stieg, Chairman of Neurosurgery at Weill Cornell Medicine and host of the This Is Your Brain podcast, here to share with you some of the exciting developments in our department in the past year. We are proud to be part of the number 3 neuro program in the United States, but we are not sitting on our laurels. We are determined to become number 1. We're already number 1 in New York with the highest volume of surgeries in the city and one of the lowest complication rates for neurosurgery anywhere. You know the Weill Cornell Medicine mission, care, discover, teach. We bring that mission to life every day. On the clinical side, we recruited Dr. Heidi Bender from Mount Sinai to direct a neuropsychology team that provides integrated testing and evaluation, intraoperative monitoring, and post-surgical remediation where needed. The team has been busy this year developing specialized recovery regimens for patients suffering long-term effects of COVID-19. We expanded our regional services by appointing new chiefs of neurosurgery at New York Presbyterian Queens, Brooklyn Methodist, and Lower Manhattan Hospital. These physicians bring world-class neurosurgical services to previously underserved populations downtown and in the boroughs, and they bring quaternary care to the main campus. And we implemented a robust telemedicine program to allow us to care for our patients during the pandemic and beyond. 30% of our visits are now done via video or phone, giving us a new efficiency and reach. We have implemented new integrated services throughout the NYP Regional Health System. We've combined the pediatric neurosurgery services at Weill Cornell Medicine and Columbia, giving us the most senior and most accomplished pediatric neurosurgical team in New York. We added orthopedic surgeon Dan Rue to our spine center. Dr. Rue is a world-renowned specialist with a unique focus on disorders of the cervical spine. Our research initiatives continued despite the pandemic, with more than 75 academic publications in 2020. In April 2021, our 3-paper package, Neurosurgery in the Time of COVID-19, was the cover story in World Neurosurgery. Dr. Jared Notman was named PI of the FDA-approved Embolize clinical trial. That trial will provide further evidence of the effectiveness of middle meningeal artery embolization, a minimally invasive approach to treating blood clots on the brain based on his previous pioneering work. Dr. Babacar Cisse was awarded a $400,000 Department of Defense grant to study how transcription factors regulate the development, function, and maintenance of microglia in brain tumors. And Dr. Rohan Ramakrishna was granted $250,000 in seed money to study the impact of genetic alterations on cellular states in glioma. Our clinical trials have also been expanded within the region, addressing issues of diversity and access to care. We found new ways to train residents and fellows worldwide with multiple new professional webinars on a diverse range of topics. Our craniofacial and minimally invasive brain and spine surgery CME courses incorporated live-streamed surgical demonstrations made available to a global audience. And we haven't wavered in our commitment to increasing diversity in neurosurgery or bolstering academic skills in medical students. Our faculty have helped develop a medical student neurosurgery training center that produced 2 virtual training camps, 6 webinars, and 16 seminar sessions that have impacted the education of thousands of medical students across the globe. We started integrating junior neurosurgeons from Zhejiang University of Medicine and Second Affiliated Hospital in Hangzhou, China, into our educational conferences. We conducted our annual neurotrauma course in Tanzania via Zoom, simulcast on YouTube for more than 700 registrants worldwide. And we hosted a 6-week-long Pan-African blended learning course in scoliosis and other spinal deformities. We host twice-monthly webinars for patients about spine health topics, as well as an ongoing virtual brain series on topics of interest to specific patient interest groups. Our online presence grew tremendously throughout the pandemic, with rapidly growing followings on social media, including a new Instagram account and thousands of new views of our YouTube videos. And we recently began our second season of the This Is Your Brain podcast, which I host, to explore a wide range of brain health topics with thousands of listeners. In short, we have successfully weathered a challenging year and are positioned well for the months and years to come. We stand ready to do the work. For more news and information, visit us at weillcornellbrainandspine.org. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and subscribe to the podcast. This is Your Brain with Dr. Phil Stieg.